Hi, welcome back to Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm Lisa. I'm so glad that you're here today. I'm bringing you this review today for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you will get a code to save 30%. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com if you ever have any wig-related questions. So today I am bringing you a review for this sassy new little number by Rene of Paris. This is CARSON, and the color on this one is Shaded Amber. More on her in just a minute. And start talking about little Miss CARSON here. What a sassy little cute cut this is. Now the cut is I guess designed to be very close to the face. So if you're someone who just can't stand hair flopping in your face and that kind of thing, this might not be the style for you, but I think you can get it trained. You know, it's just going to take a little time to get it trained, maybe a little steam if you just want to push it, you know, all the way away from your face. But she's really cute. You know, just right close to the forehead. I think you could also, you know, cut a bang in her if you wanted to and get that, you know, full forehead coverage if that's your thing. So, but she's really sassy. She's got cute movement. She's just a bob with a few layers in her. You know, she's got this longer fringe layer here. Very, very pretty. So I will do a turn so you can see her all the way around, and then we'll get into all of her measurements. So here she is from the front. Here's my left. Cute. The back. All right. And back to the front. So to me, she's just a style. I just want to keep like playing with her and flipping her around and running my fingers through her and stuff like that. So like I said, she just has really nice, pretty movement, and she's a really fun little piece. Okay, so her measurements are, she has a fringe here in the front that is 9.8 inches. She has a 9.8 inch layer from the crown, and then her nape is 4.3 inches. So she has a shorter nape. You know, just really cute. Like I said, just short, you know, above the shoulder, bob cut. Should be good as far as, you know, not getting a lot of friction on those fibers. This is regular synthetic, by the way, you know, but not a lot of friction on those fibers, you know, from clothing and such, which is really nice. So she is a lace front and a left monopart. Lace front looks really good. They put the some of the that lighter auburn, even though this has a fairly dark root on it. They put that you know, that auburn there. Not too much of the auburn. I know we're seeing in some colors, we're seeing too much of the light color there. Just a bit of that auburn, and lightened up those you know, roots a little bit. And then here's her mono part. Got it, I think, pretty much opened. Wasn't too hard to open that part. And then I've got good coverage, you know, around the face. I'll talk about the cap fit in just a minute. So Rene of Paris is known to run on the smaller side, but they're always kind of big on me. So I had to pull the adjusters in, and I have quite a bit of room forehead to nape with quite a bit of stretch here. So, you know, like I said, I had to adjust the adjusters for my circumference, and ear to ear, it's almost too big for me. The cap, I don't know if you can see that or not. See how that's sitting right up against the back of my ear? This cap is almost too big for me. So for my petite friends, you know, just keep that in mind. I'm 11 inches ear to ear, 13 inches forehead to nape, and my circumference is 21 inches. Okay, I'll pop her off and we can look at the inside of her cap. Interior cap construction. So there's her part. And you can see that rooting too on the color. So we've got this left mono part that goes back all the way to the crown, which is very nice. Then you've got some closed flower lace right there that's covering some closed wefting. There is some permatease underneath there, and there's some permatease back here right when you come off the part. There's also some, it feels like, at a little bit right at the front of the ear tab, so right when you come off of the lace front as well. So there's your lace front. She's got the soft felt ear tabs with a nice piece of metal in there. Plenty of hair for off the face styling. Open wefted all through the cap. She's got the pull adjusters. She has a soft felt nape, but it's not an extended nape. Not really needed on this piece. So, and then stretch wise, like, oh yeah, really good stretch. So I think this is definitely an average and above average wig. I don't know if it would go all the way to 23 inches. 22.5 for sure. So, okay, let's talk about this color, Shaded Amber. So Very, very amber, coppery, auburn shade. The description on this is a vibrant, dark auburn base with red, medium auburn, and light copper highlights with dark brown roots. So there you can see your dark brown root. Definitely a dark brown, but like I said, I like the way the lace front is looking on this one. So, but you do see that rooting, you know, all the way around the face. And when you separate the hair, of course, you're going to see the rooting. So very coppery, beautiful, beautiful auburn. And when we get it in the sun, I think you might be able to see the reflection more of, you know, you can see it some, the really coppery color. I have a little penny here. There's definitely a penny colored, you know, that coppery highlight that's running through there is a golden penny, you know, copper penny color. Really pretty. Okay, so I turned off the bright lights. I left the ring light on because I wasn't real impressed with, I don't know, just didn't seem to be something I needed to show you in just room light. So the ring light is on. So you can see more of the brunette that's in there. I think that's the base, you know, mixed with that vibrant auburn showing through. That definitely has a, you know, brownish hue to it. So, but I think out in the sun, it is going to pop super auburn. So let's take it outside and check it out. So, yep, those auburns are popping. Shaded amber on the CARSON wig. There's your lace front. See how nice that lace front is? Oh, I'm really happy with it. There's your part. Beautiful auburn. I love the shading with just the, you know, subtle root. It's not a huge, you know, long root. Just looks pretty. Okay, so here we are in sun. She's on fire. Okay, and I'll step into the shade here. Okay, so now we can see it a little better. But again, very, very auburn, as you can see. You can see that copper. Really pretty. Okay, let's look at glasses and all that good stuff. So, she is ear tuckable. Glasses are easy. Glasses go up on the head, just fine. Kind of looks cute with glasses on the head. Headband. Quite got it there. There we go. Cute. Could just stick a headband in her. That looks cute too. She doesn't quite have the length to go, you know, half up, half down. I don't think it would stay. I think throughout the day it would, you know, slowly start to fall out. But so you could pin her back just on each side right behind the ear, maybe with one of these little, you know, bobby pin. That would look cute, something like that would look real, real cute, you know, just to pin her back on either side. And then she's got this nice lace front, so, you know, you can clip her back off of that lace front. All kinds of cute clips, you know. Really, really cute. I think she's also cute, you know, worn like just a little bit behind the ears. Maybe tuck this side and then leave just a little out. Yeah, she's just cute. She's fun to style. She's fun to just play around with. Like I said, she has so much sass. I think that's what's really, really cute about her. Okay, so I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information below this video. Take care of yourselves. I thank you so much for watching my videos. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.